to a different suspect.
Hey! Hey! You're gonna get hurt! You don't fucking stop! Hey! Come here! Come here! Hey! Come here! Come here! Hey! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stay by! Stay by! Stay by! Stay by! Turn around! Turn around! Yeah, I got it. Hold on. Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Bro, turn around! Turn around! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! I'm gonna shock him again. I'm gonna shock him. Stand by! Stand by! Stand by!
Please, please, can you just fucking untie me?
What?
Can you just please fucking untie me? Like, you guys are fucking...
No. Doesn't work like that. I don't care how many times you say please or
Man,
anything like that, okay? Chill out.
I'm trying to go back.
Chill
Nah,
out.
I'll go back to relax. I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. I mean... They're tripping, dog. What the fuck is this about?
Tasers.
Man, hey, look, brother. What is this shit about?
Look, hey, look.
Sir? The paramedics, we're gonna take you on over to the hospital, okay?
For the hospital for what?
Just to get you checked out.
I'm alright.
You got
I'm
tased.
telling you, if I'm fucking telling you, I'm alright.
I know,
Like,
but we gotta take you.
you
just to
fucking
get you.
tased the dog shit out of me, but still, I'm
No, I didn't do
alright.
anything. We're just gonna take you to the doctor, okay?
Why you guys make me want to go to the hospital?
Sit back.
For what reason? Hold on, I don't need no hospital.
You got tased, man.
We gotta check out your heart and everything. Just sit back.
I'm good.
We gotta,
Brother, I'm
see the
telling you,
doctor.
I'm good. Stop being weird. Stop being weird. You know, like, I'm telling you, I don't need no restraints. Come on.
Give me the other one.
Man, I'm telling you, bro, like, I don't need no restraints. Bro, if I needed some fucking emergency help, I'll fucking call you. You feel me? Like,
Okay.
I don't need none.
Thanks for calling me.
Alright, well, I'm telling you, I don't need none.
Oh, that's over here.